Hello, my name's Marcus Clarke and I'm a Puppetry for the Screen practitioner, and that means that I design, make and perform puppets primarily for children's television. And while you haven't seen me before, I can pretty much guarantee that you will have seen some of the puppets that I've either made through Hands Up Puppets or have puppeteered in children's television programmes, from Dapple Down Farm, The Milkshake Show, Tickle Patch and Friends, to Doogie Doggins Martinis, and of course, Bookaboo. And I'm going to be explaining to you how we, the royal we, go about some of that.
Right then, Marcus, you've got some explaining to do.
I certainly have. Now, Filthy here is a typical hand puppet. He fits on my arm, but my hand is in his head, and my thumb is doing his lip sync.
Thank you very much.
Here, his arms are rodded, which means I've got rods on my arms so I can stretch and yes, thank you. So basically, a hand puppet starts with the hand. The top of the hand is the head, and the thumb is the mouth, the lip sync. And you move the thumb open and close like that, in time with the mouth, in time with every syllable, basically. And the idea is to try and keep the top of the hand as flat as possible, because of course your eyeballs will be on there and you don't want to be going around talking like that. And also you won't be able to focus on things and talk about them.
What an interesting box. And look at all these bits and pieces. They're amazing. I don't even want to look behind.
So that's the idea. A little trick there. If you push forward on every syllable, it does help to keep the top of the hand flat and level.
I do not believe you said that, Miss Piggy.
Sort of thing. It's a bit of a Muppet way of doing a puppet. I tend to just open and close the mouth like this. You can add to that very simple positive and negative moves, a nod, yes, 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 and do that in conversation.
Well, I think this is a very, very good car. I'm totally excited about it. It's very, very exciting.
Oh, I'm not sure about this at all. The other way around, doing a very simple negative move. No, 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 no. I'm not very sure about that. It worries me, it concerns me. Adding further to that, and this is just a puppet head.
Thank you very much. And I'm made of fake fur and foam. My eyes have been specially sculpted and cast in bright shiny yellow. And of course I've got a lovely shaped brown nose.
Or you could have pink fleece ears, pink nose, white tooth, bronze eyes, green eyes, blue eyes, that blink. Or black eyes, cherry nose, white tooth. Hey, my eyes blink too. How does that happen?
Well, all of your bits are specifically made for each of you. And I always make sure during the design stage that we've got lots of eyes and noses to hand, so that we have the very widest creative options available to us. With regard to the animatronics, I make very simple animatronics myself. Eye blinks that are trigger or cable controlled, sometimes electronically controlled, so that they can be put off to remote control. Some are more complex than others. Usually simple is best, and I tend to just have one animatronic per puppet. That's it, except to say that puppets with live hands, as well as being able to hold objects, can also wave. Goodbye!